Everything begins with measurement. HORIBA has been manufacturing analysis and measurement instruments ever since its foundation over 70 years ago. Since then, HORIBA has continued to take on the challenges of our constantly evolving society with our one-of-a-kind measurement technologies. We are offering a broad range of solutions in 3 fields that are indispensable to the future of our society. We are contributing to research and industry with the aim of utilizing sustainable new energy sources, including hydrogen, to realize a carbon-neutral society. We are developing innovative technologies in the mobility field, such as electric and connected vehicles. HORIBA's analysis and measurement technologies and engineering services are essential for protecting the global environment, including air and water quality. To ensure a safe and secure living environment, HORIBA provides inspection equipment and reagents for medical diagnosis and treatment in the healthcare field. HORIBA's solutions are at the very heart of the future of healthcare in the life sciences field, such as pharmaceutical research and development and manufacturing, as well as cell and gene analysis. Semiconductor devices are in increasingly high demand, driven by the growth of the advanced telecommunications society and the expansion of the Internet of Things. There is also a wide range of needs for measurement in this ever-advancing sector. We support the foundations of society with advanced analysis and measurement solutions that contribute to the research and development of cutting-edge technologies, such as semiconductor manufacturing processes that require high precision and high quality, as well as the development of new materials. HORIBA's HORIBA technologies and solutions have been supporting the future development of society, lifestyles and technologies, and meeting the needs of manufacturers. Through these business activities, the HORIBA Group is contributing to finding solutions to various issues and is also working hard to ensure sustainability in the supply chain. We are conducting initiatives to train the next generation of workers by providing workshops at schools and supporting educational institutions. By promoting collaboration with academia and supporting young researchers, HORIBA aims to realize a sustainable society by leveraging its analysis and measurement technologies. As part of our strategy for nurturing the people who conduct these activities, the entire HORIBA Group is creating a stage where each and every HORIBArian can embody our philosophy of joy and fun for all to maximize their potential in their pursuit of HORIBA. HORIBA established our vision, mission and values in the form of Our Future in 2023. Under a vision of joy and fun for all, together with our colleagues around the world, we are aiming to realize a future in which all lives shine with reliable solutions. As a solution provider for analysis and measurement instruments, HORIBA will continue working to build the society of the future with our unique technologies.
HORIBA.